Hi guys, welcome to Streetsville. This is known as the village in the city. Hey guys, and thank you for tuning in on Travel Edits. Streetsville is a neighborhood located in the northwestern corner of the city of Mississauga on the Credit River. The village of Streetsville is located in northwest Mississauga. Its boundaries are roughly Britannia Road West in the north to Eglinton Avenue West in the south. The village has managed to maintain its original character and charm despite the rapid development and growth of the surrounding city. There are historic buildings in Streetsville dating as far back as 1821. It is a beautiful old-style village neighborhood near a very busy area of Mississauga. It's in a beautiful setting of old-style shops and restaurants. Streetsville is no more than an hour away from Toronto as well. There are two historical churches with glorious buildings. Right on the street is the BIA office. Tons of cafes and restaurants to dine and snack in. There is a lot of history to this little town. Hurricane Hazel McCallion began her political career in Streetsville.
Golden days, crisp air sways, yeah, yeah. Football games, lazy Sundays, you know. Hot chocolate, warm hugs too. We're together, just me and you. Fall vibes, feel it in the air. Fall vibes, everywhere we share. Fall vibes, dancing through the cool night, no care. Fall vibes, autumn love affair. Fall vibes. Fall vibes.
In the city lights, we chase the thrill. With every desire, we're here to fulfill. Caught in the frenzy, we dance in this way. In the pursuit of more, we'll find our way. With every chase, in this endless race, in this game we'll play forever in the greedy way. In the hunger of the night, we'll soar. Our hearts craving for something more. the rush. In the whispers of temptation, we hush. Bound by desire, we'll never sway. In the realm of excess, we'll stay. With every risk we take, in chances we make, in this path we'll stray, forever in the greedy way. In the hunger of the night we'll soar, almost craving for something more. With every beat we'll lead us.
As you can see, I'm approaching the area called the Village Square. In 2014, the brand new Streetsville Village Square was opened following an extensive renovation. It is now a vibrant town square that is a bustling gathering place for the entire community, whether you are meeting for coffee, enjoying an ice cream, or listening to a musical performance. As you can see here is the BIA, as it stands for Business Improvement Association. The Streetsville BIA's mission is to maintain and promote a vibrant business community within the historic village of Streetsville, dedicated to serving the needs of local businesses and residents. And that was an evening walk showcasing few major intersections of Streetsville. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching. And once again, if you liked the video, please hit the subscribe and like button.